Hello, my name's Kieran. I'm one of the founders of Jalisgow Tequila. We're Scotland's first flavoured tequila. We brought out a coffee-infused tequila. We decided to make a coffee-infused tequila to suit the kind of UK market, something a little less harsh than your standard tequilas. One of the things we did was drop the alcohol percentage down to 30% from 38 to get rid of that negative connotation of tequila that a lot of people have. A lot of people have a sort of barrier to drinking tequila, saying, oh no, the too many bad hen do's, stag do's that have went wrong. I've kind of left people a bit sort of naysayers in tequila. So we brought out something a bit more palatable and enjoyable. And today we're going to be making a Jalisco White Russian with it. We call it a Gringo, as in a white Mexican, but with the, Gringo, W at the end. To make our Gringo today, our cocktail maestro. So, today I'm going to be making our Gringo, which will be done with 35ml Jalisco, 25ml Crème de menthe. We use a touch of buttermilk, around 50ml. And then full fat cream to thicken it up a bit. One shot. And Maestro, you're going to give it a wee shake? Good man. You've done this before, huh? Wonderful. So poured over ice gives a nice wee layering. Finish it off with a wee chocolate sprinkle and a touch of fresh mint. Voila. Fantastic. You got a taste. Good.
Cheers.
Wonderful.
Amazing.
Wonderful. For more recipes like this, please like and subscribe to the Ideal Home Show channel. Thanks for watching.